get rid of it. Let me tab it just in case. Well, it's an article, right? Oh, it's an
No, it's an
article.
article.
Florida man
It's
get.
an article.
Why is it Florida man? Why the fuck do you gotta send me Florida man? Fucking Peters.
Miami is just like Peters found me out. Yo, fuck.
Dude, it was like at a hotel.
I know it is like again one of those like dingy hotels in fucking Florida too.
It was at midnight, dude. Like, so here's the thing, dude. If you're gonna stick your dick in a jacuzzi or a pool thing, can it be your own? You're sticking it in some nasty public pool type.
Again, you're going back to those are the same people that would stick their dicks in the hole in a tree. So I mean, dude, sometimes these holes be looking good to people.
Oh my god, somebody should take P Bandai domain. Oh my god. Y'all really want me to never get anything with Bandai, don't you? I mean, it's bad enough they're probably never gonna work with me now after the condom thing. I'm gonna get like a cease and desist letter in the mail. Fucking A. But that, I don't get it. I mean, I can get the jets pushing or whatever, but it's not slick. Me. I don't know. I don't see me fucking the jets of something. There was a dude that got his dick stuck in a gas tank. I mean, okay. Technically speaking, with how gas prices are right now, your car should let you fuck it.
I mean, we've already established people have married their fucking cars, so yeah.
You know, so I shouldn't get in trouble if I'm gonna go fuck my car.
I mean, it's your car. You do what you gotta do.
Wait, I don't understand how a dick gets stuck. Right? Because you're sticking it in, it should at some point be hard. At some point, it should get soft and shrink.
Have you seen the openings in the in the gas
You had to
tank?
get it in there one way or another, so it was probably bigger than it was.
You know, it probably got in there soft, but then it fucking got. But then it got hard, dude. And then and then now you're stuck, and all the blood is just trapped in the head. Now you can't get it out.
I like that the fire department comes like, what the fuck happened? Instructions instructions were unclear. It said stick something in. I stuck my dick in it. There's a flap, so the flap closed on it. Oh god damn, dude. I don't know. We gotta get some FDA on there, man. If people are gonna stick their dicks in their things, we can't have a flap there.
Imagine it gets so bad, like it has a little warning on the gas tank door. Please do
Oh
not
my
stick
God.
penis in hole.
It has a picture of a guy like this.
Exactly.
Like this on the car. Like, don't
And it's
fuck
got
your car.
it's got a big slash down the middle of the fucking drawing. And in the fucking manual it says like gasoline fumes could have ill effects.
No, you know what?
Ill effects on your dick.
Dude, imagine you're fucking your car, your dick gets stuck in your car, and it's a manual, and it gets knocked out, and it starts rolling down the hill, a hill or something.
Oh, I'm sorry. There's gonna be rippage, man. It's gonna happen. There's no.
Unless you can hold
possible
on for dear life.
way. Bro.
You're rolling down a hill, and everybody in your town is just seeing you.